private life of animals revealed through Ring, a doorbell that records video.
Initially, the intent of Ring was to bring safety and security to homeowners.
But instead of deterring human criminals, this doorbell, doubled as a security device, is catching a surprising kind of behavior. Four-legged criminals like this cat burglar have been caught on tape. This repeat offender likes to steal trash.
Out there garbage.
This thief prefers to take food from a car. Look carefully at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Yep, that's a misfit alligator, guilty of property damage by crashing into the fence.
Yeah, it definitely was unexpected. I think we found that our customers have found a whole host of other ways to use their Ring devices that have been a really pleasant surprise. I think a really fun example of that is capturing wildlife at your front door.
There have been a growing number of doorbells with a built-in security camera available for consumers. They offer similar features.
It records when motion is detected, when there is a ding event, so when somebody rings your doorbell, and you can also do a live view.
Besides catching animals behaving badly, the video doorbell also provides a glimpse of what animals do for relaxation or fun.
I've actually met a lot of dogs in the neighborhood through my Ring.
Many of the video doorbells have a speaker for two-way communication.
Sadie.
That's coming in handy when this dog tries to sneak out for a little adventure.
Sadie, go back in the house. Go.
And she listened.
Good girl.
If only the other animals would be so well behaved.
Look, they got a bag.
Elizabeth Lee, VOA News.